Hello, YC. I am Biyaditya Sriram, studying grade 7 in Johnson Grammar School, India.
I am K. Shaurya Reddy, studying in 8th grade, Fiji World School, India.
Our project title is Forestation using AI-empowered drones.
Deforestation. Deforestation refers to the decrease in forest areas across the world that are lost for other uses such as agricultural, car plants, urbanization, or mining activities. Every year from 2011 to 2015, about 20 million hectares of forest was cut down. Since 2016, an average of 28 million hectares have been cut down every year. Tropics lost about 61,000 square miles. 3.9 million square miles of forest have been lost since the beginning of 20th century in the past 25 years.
Size of Switzerland 14,800 square miles or 38,300 square kilometers is lost to deforestation every year. Tropics lost about 61,000 square miles, 158,000 square kilometers of forest in 2017, an area of size of Bangladesh. This year 2020, about 25 million hectares of forest are being cut down up to date.
Causes for deforestation are agricultural expansion, wood extraction, example for furniture and charcoal, infrastructure expansion such as urbanization and road building.
Ways to overcome deforestation are plant a tree everywhere you can, buy recycled products and recycle them again, support the products of companies which avoid deforestation, raise awareness in your community or colony. Problem at hand: planting billions of trees in less time and at low cost.
Proposed solution: tree plantation using AI-empowered drones. Multi-chamber seed dispensing drones can sow multiple varieties of seeds in a single flight. Globally, there is up to 6 billion hectares of land which is suitable for plantation of trees.
Area available in Telangana for tree plantation: 1,12,077 hectares is the geographical area, 1,608 is the very dense forest, 8,787 is the very moderate forest, 10,187 is the open forest, 20,582 hectares is the total forest, 18.36 hectares is the percentage of the geographical area, 26,904 square kilometers, which is 24% of its geographical area. The reserved, protected and unclassed forests are 75.65%, 22.07% and 2.28% of the recorded forest area in the state respectively.
This drone technology is adapted to survey environments and disperse seeds at high speed across massive areas using pneumatic force. The area is scanned using LiDAR.
How seed firing drones work? A mapping drone creates a detailed 3D terrain map marking any non-plantable areas. Then a unique algorithm is created used to calculate the course that will drive the tree planting UAV or drone. Using this course, the company's biodegradable seed balls are planted. Drones follow exact GPS locations in seeding.
Seed balls consist a seed in between wrapped around fertile soil with microbes, vermicompost, and also has carbon mixed. Regeneration of seed is 80%. 50k trees a day with a team of two are planted using drones. Pneumatic force is used to fire seed balls. GPS system is also used. Post-planting UAV drones scan the site and monitor to health plants. The data from the plants is used to enhance and strengthen algorithms and ecosystem intelligence.
Benefits of using drones: plantation of trees with less effort and in less time. Drones with multi-chambers. Single drone can sow multiple varieties of seeds in its single flight. Drones which plant trees deliver profits. Speed. A human can plant maximum 800 plants in a day. A drone can plant 58,181 plants in a day. Access. In addition to being many times faster than human hands at planting trees, tree planting drones are able to access areas that are beyond the reach of planters.
For the real project, we need to use coding software like Python, drones with multi-chambers and which can use pneumatic force to sow seeds and also seed balls, and drones with biofertilizers which can spray it to plants and seedlings. For this project demonstration, we used Cosmo, Calypso and LED lights.
Perception. LiDAR camera is used for aerial scanning and which captures a 3D detailed image of the terrain, marking any non-plantable or plantable areas. LiDAR is used to scan the site to monitor the health and growth of the plants.
Representation and reasoning. The drone represents information of local tribe, flora and fauna. It identifies the type of seed balls from its 10 chambers to plant at each site.
Data on type of flora, fauna, terrain and the tribals is sent to the Forest Research Institute. Then the Forest Research Institute suggests a seed ball needed to be planted. Drone sends the data on the growth and health of the plants. This data is sent to the Forest Research Institute. Forest Research Institute suggests a biofertilizer needed to be planted on each crop.
Supervised learning.
On the data set of each forest type and location, AI recommends the keystone species and the pattern of sowing to the Forest Research Institute. It is the Forest Research Institute which finalizes the plants to be sowed in and in which pattern. Drone does precision based sowing by following GPS location marks.
During an AI development, we always rely on data. The training dataset is the one used to train an algorithm to understand how to apply concepts such as neural networks to learn and produce results.
Using label data, training data and adjusting the weights and bias, we can train machine and AI.
AI thinks using neural network. Artificial neuron is the basic unit of artificial neural network.
The perceptron is a mathematical model of a biological neuron, while in actual neuron, the dendrite receives the electrical signals from the axon of other neurons. In the perceptron, the electrical signals are represented as the numerical values.
The levels of AI are narrow or weak AI, strong or general AI, and supreme AI. We are currently using narrow or weak AI.
The levels in automation of self-driving cars are level 1 driver assistance, level 2 partial assistance, level 3 conditional automation, level 4 high automation, level 5 full automation. I think that the Tesla driverless cars are in level 3 to 4 models of automation.
AI captures the picture of human face and places it on a 28 by 28 pixel grid and lists the human face pattern. This pattern is compared with the given label data and identifies the human face.